If you are considering buying a property in APOPKA, Florida, you may be wondering whether hiring a home inspector is necessary. While many people assume that a standard home inspection is sufficient, hiring Tim as your home inspector who holds additional Florida state certified licenses for roofing and building can provide even greater benefits. A home inspector who holds these licenses has a deeper understanding of the structural components of a property and can provide a more comprehensive inspection that identifies any issues with the roof or building structure. Here are some of the benefits of hiring Timothy Parks Roofing and Construction as your home inspector. 40 years of experience, 3 state certified licenses, a deeper understanding of the structural components of a property, and we provide a more comprehensive inspection. Contact us today.